Imagine a world where humans can literally erase genetic diseases, where blindness, cancer, or even aging could be completely rewritten, just like lines of computer code. This isn't some far-fetched dream from a sci-fi movie. This is the breathtaking reality of CRISPR, a groundbreaking technology that's handing humanity the incredible power to edit life itself. But as we stand on the precipice of this astonishing new frontier, a monumental question looms large, whispering through the scientific community and beyond. Should we wield such immense power? It's a question that challenges our ethics, our understanding of nature, and ultimately, our vision for humanity's future. Now, you might have heard the name CRISPR. It stands for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats. I know, quite a mouthful, right? But don't let the complex name intimidate you, because what it really means is elegantly simple and profoundly powerful. At its core, CRISPR is a molecular pair of scissors, a microscopic genetic toolkit that was first discovered hiding within the humble world of bacteria. These tiny microbes, battling for survival in their microscopic ecosystems, actually use CRISPR as a natural, sophisticated defense system. They deploy it to precisely cut up and neutralize the DNA of invading viruses, essentially disarming their attackers. It's their ancient, biological antivirus software. Then, in 2012, a pivotal moment in scientific history occurred. Two brilliant scientists, Jennifer Doudna and Emmanuel Charpentier, made an astonishing realization. They understood that this natural bacterial defense mechanism could be reprogrammed, not just to target viral DNA, but to meticulously edit any specific gene in any living organism. This wasn't just a scientific breakthrough, it was a paradigm shift. Their monumental discovery irrevocably changed the course of biology and medicine forever, and it deservedly earned them the prestigious 2020 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. Their work opened a door to possibilities we're only just beginning to comprehend. So, how does this revolutionary technology actually work inside our cells? Picture this, it's an incredibly precise operation, like a microscopic surgical strike. Here's the simplified, step-by-step process. First, there's a special protein, a molecular workhorse, called Cas9. Think of Cas9 as the actual cutting tool, the scissors themselves. But these scissors aren't just flailing wildly. They're guided with incredible accuracy by a tiny, custom-designed RNA molecule. You can imagine this RNA molecule as a highly advanced GPS system, precisely programmed to find one exact, specific spot within your incredibly vast and complex DNA. Once this GPS, the guide RNA, successfully navigates Cas9 to its precise target location, say, a faulty gene that's causing a disease, Cas9 then makes an incredibly clean and precise cut in the DNA strand. After this cut is made, your body's own natural repair systems kick into gear. These amazing cellular mechanisms then either fill in the gap with correct genetic information, or they completely replace the damaged or problematic gene with a healthy, functioning one. This incredible precision means scientists can now do things that were once unimaginable. They can effectively delete bad genes that cause illness or insert healthy ones to correct genetic defects. This opens up astonishing possibilities for potentially curing devastating genetic conditions like sickle cell anemia, cystic fibrosis, or even muscular dystrophy, giving hope to millions. And we're not talking about distant hypotheticals anymore. CRISPR is already delivering incredible medical miracles. Just a few short years ago, in 2020, we saw one of the most heartwarming breakthroughs yet. Doctors successfully used CRISPR to cure a patient's sickle cell disease. Imagine that, a lifelong, debilitating genetic condition, completely reversed. This wasn't just a clinical trial success. It was a monumental moment, marking the first real-world, life-changing application of this technology. Since then, the momentum has only grown. Clinical trials are now actively targeting a wide array of previously untreatable conditions, from inherited forms of blindness to a spectrum of debilitating blood disorders and even certain aggressive cancers. The pace of innovation is truly breathtaking. And here's the really exciting news. In 2024, CRISPR-based therapies received official regulatory approval in both the US and the UK. This isn't just a scientific footnote. It's a historic milestone. It officially paves the way for a brand new era of medicine, one where genetic diseases, once considered incurable, might actually begin to disappear from humanity's story altogether. We are on the cusp of an incredible transformation in healthcare. But with such immense power comes immense responsibility, and not everyone is celebrating these advancements without reservation. This incredible technology, with its capacity to heal and transform, also presents humanity with a profound ethical dilemma. The very same power that can meticulously correct a faulty gene to cure a devastating disease could, theoretically, also be used for entirely different purposes. Imagine the possibility of designing babies, not just to eliminate illness, but to alter physical appearances, boost intelligence, or even subtly influence personality traits. This isn't just theoretical. In 2018, the world was rocked when a Chinese scientist controversially created the first gene-edited babies, sparking widespread global outrage and igniting urgent debates. Scientists around the world sounded a collective alarm, warning us that if we start editing human embryos, we risk unleashing unintended and potentially irreversible mutations that could ripple through generations. The ethical line between simply healing life and actively enhancing or designing life is becoming dangerously, almost imperceptibly, blurry. How do we navigate this delicate balance? So, as we gaze into the future, the implications of CRISPR are truly mind-boggling. This technology may soon allow us to extend human lifespan beyond what we currently imagine, completely eliminate entire categories of debilitating diseases, and perhaps even bring back species that have long been extinct. Think about that for a moment, but the real, profound question isn't about how powerful CRISPR will become because its potential seems limitless. The true challenge, the defining question for our generation, is how wisely, how ethically, and how compassionately we will choose to use it. Will we harness this incredible power purely for compassion, to alleviate suffering and improve lives across the board? Or could it, in the wrong hands, be wielded for control, to create divisions or inequalities? Will CRISPR truly unite humanity in our shared quest for health and well-being, or could it inadvertently divide us, creating new genetic classes or even exacerbate existing social disparities? The answers to these questions will shape the very fabric of our future. We now stand at a pivotal moment in human history, holding in our hands the ultimate pen that can rewrite the very essence of life itself. What kind of story, what kind of future, will we collectively choose to write next? Thank you so much for watching and for joining this critical discussion. If you found this video thought-provoking, if it sparked questions or ideas in your mind, please take a moment to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into science and technology, and most importantly, share your thoughts and perspectives in the comments section below. Because the future of gene editing, the future of humanity itself, that's a story we are all incredibly part of, and your voice matters.